Good afternoon, students. Topic for today is simple past tense. There are different forms of past tense that we will do one by one. First, for a simple past tense, what is the forms for affirmative sentences? Subject plus past tense. For negative sentences, subject plus did plus not plus verb. Interrogative sentences, for the question mark, did plus subject plus verb. How to write a simple past tense for a single person? Singular, I wrote. Plural, we wrote. For two persons, singular, you wrote. For two-person plural, you wrote. For three-person singular, he wrote, she wrote, it wrote. Plural, they wrote. Now we will understand what are the past tense. Simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past with reference to the time of speaking. So simple past tense, generally it is used to express the actions which has been completed. The simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past without reference to the time of speaking. So simple past tense is also used to express an action which is completed in the past but with no mentioning of the time of speaking. Simple past tense is also used to express a habitual or irregular actions in the past. Simple past tense is used to express an actions which occupied a period of time in the past which is now ended. So generally these are the uses how you can use a simple past tense. Generally when an action is completed in the past with reference to the time of speaking, there are some sentences where time will be mentioned. Example, Bill visited India last year. This sentence tells us about the President of United States visited India last year. So here who visited, when, both of these things has been given. So simple past tense is also used to tell the timing where that action has been done, action has been completed. The boys killed the drug yesterday. The fire broke out in our street last night. So in all these sentences you can find that there are the subject and a subject, what it is doing and at what time. Again, simple tense past tense is used to express an action completed in the past without reference to the time of speaking. So there are some sentences like that old man crossed the road very carefully. So in this type of sentences, generally past tense is used where actions completed in the past without reference to the time of speaking. Right? He returned from Delhi. My friend did not lend me his camera. So in all this point you will find that generally at what time that actions has been done has not been mentioned. But yes, one thing is clear, that is the actions has been completed but it is not been mentioned. So simple past tense is also used for some sentences where time will not be mentioned. Simple past tense is used to express a habitual or regular actions in the past. When I was in the hostel, I wrote a letter to my parents daily. The simple past tense is also used to express a habitual or regular actions in the past. That activities I have done in the past regularly. That at the time when I was in hostel, I regularly or I wrote letter to my parents daily, but that thing has been over. So again, simple past tense is used to express an action which occupied a period of time in the past which is now ended. Example for it, Malhar slept for 3 hours. At Junagadh, I stayed with my uncle for 2 weeks. He worked hard for so many years. So this past tense, generally there are different uses of this past tense. At the same time, when you see the forms of simple past tense, for affirmative sentence it is subject plus past tense. For negative sentences it is subject plus did plus not plus verb. Interrogative sentences did plus subject plus verb. There are some irregular verbs which are given below that you can use in your sentences. How it is been used. Irregular verbs: arise, right? Arose, past tense. Past participle, arisen. Awake, past tense, awoke, awoke, past participle. So these are the below mentions different verbs that you can read and you can understand how these irregular verbs can be converted into past tense and into past participles. These are for the practice. You can practice it at home. Again, there is a solved exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verbs given in the bracket. First one, they dash the match by 1 goal. So in bracket it is given lose. We have to use simple past form of the verb given in the bracket. So lose will become, right, you can see what loss will become. Loss will become lost, right? As it is a past tense, it will become lost. Second one, Maya dash from Agra last week. In bracket it is come. Came. Came means it is already been. He has reached to Agra, or he has came from Agra. So these are the solved exercise that you can practice. Continuous past tense. What are the forms for continuous past tense? Affirmative sentences. What is the form? Subject plus was oblique were plus verb ing. For negative sentences, subject plus was oblique were plus not plus verb ing. Interrogative, was oblique were plus subject plus verb ing. Question mark. How you can write for first, second, third person? First person, singular it will be I was writing. Plural it will be we were writing. For second person, singular, you were writing. Plural, you were writing. Third person, singular, he, she, it, you can use. Plural, you can use they were writing. Continuous past tense means it is used to express an action that was happening in the past time. The point of time may or may not be mentioned. Right? So continuous past tense is used to express an action that is without mentioning the time. At 9 o'clock, my mother was cooking food. At 9 o'clock, my mother was cooking food. Right? So time here is given. Past tense, as cooking food has been completed. But what is the time? That 9 o'clock. He was playing cricket when I saw him. He was playing cricket. He have not stopped playing cricket, but he was playing cricket when I saw him. It was raining. It was continuously raining. Right? Continuous past tense is used to indicate persistent habits in the past with adverbs like always, continually, constantly, etc. So when you use word like constantly, continually, continuously, that is all a continuous past tense. He was always trying to cheat me. Anjana was constantly singing song in those days. They were always helping one another. Now, what things to remember? As in the case of the continuous present tense, verbs of perceptions, etc. Hear, see, love, seem, etc. cannot be used in this tense also. Now, another thing to remember is continuous present tense, right? We say verbs of perception, etc. cannot be used in this tense also. At that time, I was hearing a sound. That is a wrong sentence. At that time, I heard a sound. That is right sentence. Again, for continuous past tense, exercise is given and answers are given below the questions. First one that you see, you did dash when I entered the room. Sleep. Sleep will be converted into were sleeping. You were sleeping. That is continuous past tense. Now perfect present tense, past tense. For affirmative, perfect past tense will be